low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no
What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the huge camera of the iPhone 14 Pro Max protrudes more than 4 mm. New photos and drawings. Test production is underway. After a photo of the iPhone 14 Pro Max blueprint surfaced, a source posted another blueprint and a real image that supposedly show a mock-up of the smartphone. However, test production has been going on for several weeks now, so the photo may well be a real smartphone. The drawings confirm that the iPhone 14 Pro Max will have a 6.7 inches screen and measures 160.71 by 78.58 by 7.85 mm. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is 12.02 mm thick including the camera bump and 7.85 mm without the camera module. That is, the protrusion thickness of the camera module is 4.17 mm. The reason why the camera module is seriously sticking out is that this time around, Apple has made a big change to the main camera of the iPhone 14 Pro smartphone, increasing the resolution of the main image sensor from 12 megapixel to 48 megapixel. The camera will support 8K video recording. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is expected to feature Apple A16 single-chip system and a screen with 2 new cutouts instead of notches. Earlier it was reported that more than $1,400 in bonuses are being paid in the production of the iPhone 14 line. Another image also allows you to estimate the dimensions of the giant camera block of the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. In the picture you can see the layout of the device. Such a unit would hardly fit on the iPhone 14 mini if such a device existed. The camera block of the iPhone 14 Pro Max will really be huge. This can be clearly seen in the photo of the layout of the upcoming Apple flagship. If the iPhone 13 Pro Max module is about half the width of the smartphone itself, then the iPhone 14 Pro Max has a much larger block relative to the width of the device. The block takes up more space than in the case of the iPhone 13 Pro, which itself is much smaller. One can only imagine how huge the camera block on the body of the iPhone 14 Pro with its 6.1 inches screen will look. Recall that all the rumors and leaks suggested that the older iPhones of the new generation will finally receive sensors with a resolution of not 12 megapixels. The main one will be new sensor with the resolution of 48 megapixels, but its dimensions are still unknown. Of course, after Xiaomi 12s Ultra, such a unit can no longer claim to be the largest. But if it were transferred to a conditional iPhone 14 mini, it would probably be approximately comparable in width to the smartphone itself. The new iPhone 14 line will officially launch in September this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.
But even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explode.